Yeah. Another night, another road. Big coach rolling through the Lone Star State. And there she is. Houston after dark. 45 feet, rolling diesel, humming low. City getting closer, see the skyline glow. Hands on the wheel, got the highway in my sight. Houston shining like a diamond in the Texas night. Passengers relaxing, some asleep behind, while I'm watching downtown slowly feel the windshield wide. Glass towers glowing underneath that southern sky. There's something about a city when you see it rolling by. Street lights dancing on the windshield glass. White lines rolling while the miles slip past. If the engine singing steady, everything feels right when that Houston skyline comes alive at night. Rolling through Houston after dark. Downtown shining like a million sparks. Big wheels turning underneath those city lights. Motorcoach rolling through the Houston night. From the driver's seat, man, that's one hell of a view. Skyscrapers glowing red and gold and blue. Texas highway underneath these wheels tonight. Just meet this coach in that Houston skyline. Got that diesel talking, we hear the turbo breathe. Houston in the windshield, 45 behind me. Mirrors looking clean, keep it steady in my lane. Concrete underneath me like a South Texas train. I-45, 59, wherever this road goes. Watch the buildings rise while the city lights glow. I seen a lot of highways put a million miles down, but it's hard not to look when you're rolling through H-Town. No office with a window, no desk from 9 to 5. My view changes every time I put this coach in drive. Tonight is downtown Houston underneath the midnight sky, and I got the best seat in the house as I'm passing by. Some folks see a skyline from a hotel room, some see it from a rooftop underneath the moon, but mine comes to a windshield rolling 75. Watching Houston light the darkness while the highway comes alive. Rolling through Houston after dark. Downtown shining like a million sparks. Big wheels turning underneath those city lights. Motorcoach rolling through the Houston night. From the driver's seat, yeah, that's one hell of a view. Texas stars above me and that skyline breaking through. Another road, another memory underneath these lights. JBDaRoadrunner rolling through Houston tonight. Diesel humming. City fading in the mirrors. Another skyline behind me. Another highway ahead. Houston after dark, yeah. It's the view from the driver's seat. It's the view from the driver's seat. Rolling in the coach, yeah, we taking this slow. Taking this slow. H-Town skyline starting to glow. Starting to glow. 40-foot slab on the I-45. Keeping it trill on the midnight drive. Midnight drive. Wide body on the highway, hugging up the lane, hugging up the lane, hugging up the lane. Ain't no candy paint, but we swinging just the same, swinging just the same. Air brakes hissing, yeah, we dragging the pace, dragging the pace, dragging the pace. Looking at the skyline, deep in the bass, deep in the bass. See the neon lights reflecting off the glass, reflecting off the glass. messing up the exits. Yo, we watching them pass. Got the whole house on wheels. We ain't in a rush. Ain't in a rush. Screwed up the tempo, feeling that plug. Rolling in the coast. Yeah, we taking this slow.
Taking it slow, taking it slow.
H-Town Skyline starting to blow.
Starting to blow, starting to blow.
40-foot slab on the I-45.
I-45, I-45.
Keeping it trill on the midnight drive. Midnight drive. Towers in the distance, shining in the dark. Shining in the dark. Shining in the dark. Big rig cruising like we parked in the park. Parked in the park. 6 tires humming to a screw tape sound.
Screw tape sound.